Everyone to your places. Race is about to start.
My. Where's Stuart?
Look out, sir!
1 minute to race time, ladies and gentlemen. We have
Stuart!
one.
Are you hurt?
Stuart, what happened? It was completely my fault. I couldn't grip it.
Nice going, Captain Loser.
All set to get underway. We need all boats on the starting line.
George, wait. Everything will be all right.
No, it won't.
Maybe we could fix it. Huh? A little glue? Who knows?
Mom.
This is off. The first family outing. I ruined everything.
Well, you know, Stuart.